Still ahead here on 3TV News at 9, our 9 p.m. extra, ozone therapy and the chances it could save you from the swine flu. Well, the swine flu vaccine has finally arrived in Arizona, and lots of people are lining up for shots. But in tonight's 9 p.m. extra, Suzanne Bissett shows us how an alternative treatment called ozone therapy is also getting its share of attention.
Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of blood out, about 2 or 3 cc's.
Chris Sherm hasn't gotten sick yet, but he's taking action to make sure he doesn't. He thinks this shot will keep him from getting the H1N1 virus.
I just started a new job, and I knew that it had been going around. A couple of my friends had been feeling down, and I live a pretty active, healthy lifestyle, but I didn't want to be out for the count with this new job.
So here, this syringe is filling with ozone now.
The ozone treatment uses a patient's own blood, mixes it with oxygen and ozone, and re-injects the mixture.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And the blood will go into the muscle. I don't need to put this in, so this is done.
Dr. Novakova and her partner are both naturopathic doctors. They've seen quite a few people worried about getting the H1N1 virus, and they want these shots. Patients hope this therapy will deliver on the promise to boost the body's own ability to fight back.
The reason we do the minor ozone shots are because they stimulate that nonspecific or innate immune system, and which is the first line of defense when the body faces foreign viruses or bacteria.
Dr. Suneil Jain says ozone therapy is popular in parts of Europe, but here it's something that is still considered alternative. Mario Altieri came in for a shot at the first sign he was getting sick.
I came in and said, I have a lot of work coming up, and I can't afford to be out, and I know something's going on here, but I didn't know exactly what it was.
After a week, Altieri's regular doctor did diagnose him with the H1N1, but he says his reaction was much milder than most people had.
But I was functioning, and most everybody else was just at that first wave of it. I mean, they got it, and they were down for, at the time they said it was lasting 23 days.
Altieri said while he had all of the symptoms, headache, fever, and aches, none were so bad he had to quit working, and his recovery was quicker. Dr. Jain says that's proving true for most of the common flu as well.
Our average time for this season's flu is getting people over their symptoms in about 2 to 3 days.
Insurance will not pay for the ozone therapy, and because it's not FDA approved, you must sign a waiver for treatment. Suzanne Bissett for 3TV.
Of course, it's always best to consult with your doctor before any treatment. The cost of each of the ozone therapy sessions is $95. For more information, you can log on to azfamily.com.